Here I have HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this icon here, on this gear icon, and by tapping on this third icon you can change aspect ratios. So you have 16:9, 1:1 and 3:4. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.